Microsoft Teams meeting pop out of shared content feature. How does this work? But what happened in my case is that you will have attendees here. I can change that view. But sometimes you want to utilize the feature set that's here. You can utilize a chat, but sometimes when you do that, it makes the screen smaller. Even when you zoom in, it's just not enough because now you have to navigate left, right. So for it to be the ultimate seamless presentation for you, being the recipient, what you do or what I will do is just pop that out, right? Now, the beauty about this is that even though you pop out that, let's say that the meeting is being recorded and you pop that out, you can maximize it. So the focus now is on the actual presentation being shared. And then you can drag this to the screen. In my case, it's to the left. So now I'm able to utilize the chat feature. I'm seeing persons a little bit better. If I need to see persons and I'm focused on the other screen in terms of the presentation itself. I can always bring it back, and once I close it, it goes back into the Teams window. So for those that want to utilize that dynamics, perfect.